Recently, I checked my screen time and I realized I was spending almost 4 hours a day on Instagram. And the funny thing is, I kept telling myself I don't have time to do art anymore. So I tried something for the next 2 days. I made a simple rule. Every time I feel the urge to open Instagram, instead of scrolling, I'll do something creative. Painting, reading, anything, just not scrolling. So I started this portrait, and honestly, at this stage, it looked like complete chaos. Random strokes, messy colors, and it looked like I had absolutely no idea what I was doing. Which, to be fair, is sometimes true when you are painting. But something interesting happened. Suddenly, I had a lot more time. In those same 2 days, I finished reading 1984, the novel by George Orwell, a book that I couldn't finish in the entire month of February. And somehow I still had time to paint this and even watch a couple of episodes of a web series. Turns out the time was always there. Slowly, the painting started making sense. The eyes started appearing first, then shadows, then texture of the skin. At this point, I started feeling like, okay, maybe this painting won't be disaster after all. And after few more hours, this is what it turned into. I think a lot of us feel like we don't have time for our hobbies anymore. But sometimes the problem isn't time, it's just where our attention goes. So for now, I am keeping this small rule. Whenever I feel like doom scrolling, I'll try to create something instead. And honestly, I think my future self will be happier about that. Also, let me know if you think this painting actually turned out good, because halfway through I genuinely thought I ruined it. Also, if you would like to be part of my journey, then subscribe to this channel and like and comment and share. Thank you.